This video will demonstrate how to perform a multi-page annotation draw within Estimation MEP. Drawing a multi-page length or count annotation allows you to span a single run across multiple drawings. In this example, I will start with a length run, and I just draw the run as normal. However, rather than ending the run, remain in the active draw operation, right-click, and choose Multi-Page Run. This will expand the drawing dropdown, which will allow you to select the Continue to drawing, and then proceed to place the additional points and lengths as required, and then either end the run or continue the multi-page run. You can do so across 2 or more drawings. In this example, I have 3 drawings, and I will end the run here. And you will notice that a continuation point graphic is placed at the point of continuation from the previous drawing. And by clicking on this link, it will advance to the previous drawing in the run or the next drawing in the run. And continuation points cannot be deleted. So if I attempt to delete this continuation point, I see a message down at the bottom informing me that it cannot be deleted. However, you can modify all the other points and segments within the run as you typically would. So in this example, I want to move this point and then delete this point. Regarding the quantities of multi-page runs, you will see on the Annotation Details side panel the total count, segments, and length reflects that of the run as it spans the multiple drawings. So while 3 points are shown here in approximately 11 feet, we see a total count of 11, 8 segments, and 68.5 feet, which reflects all the annotations across the drawings. Next up, we'll perform the same operation, but with a counted item. So you proceed to place your points, remain in the active run, right-click, multi-page run, select your new drawing, and then proceed to place your additional points. I will go ahead and commit this to the audit trail. And again, continuation points are placed, which indicates it's a multi-page run, as well as the clickable link.